Human trafficking is the fastest growing crime, and that's reflected in the UK today. More men, women and children than ever before are being transported into and across the UK for the sole purpose of slavery. They are sold by their traffickers at a profit into slavery and then are forced to work against their will. They are exploited for others' gain. The men are generally trafficked for manual labour and are forced to work long hours with little or no pay, whilst the women are trafficked for the purpose of domestic servitude and the sex industry, where they are raped continually for profit. This situation could look bleak. Hope for Justice was co-founded by Ben Cooley in 2007 to be part of the UK's solution in combating human trafficking. Today, Hope for Justice work to bring hope, freedom and restoration to those whose lives have been torn apart by slavery. They partner with the police, government and non-government organisations to complete the following. Firstly, to investigate any suspected cases of human trafficking and rescue those found in slavery. They have a highly skilled and highly trained investigations team who bring amazing results. Whilst they don't have their own aftercare facilities, they work to assist in the protection and rehabilitation of those they rescue from human trafficking. Thirdly, the legal team work to ensure that the perpetrators of human trafficking are held responsible for their crimes via prosecution. Fourthly, they work at local, national and international level to ensure that those laws relevant to human trafficking are effective in combating the problem and support and uphold the human rights of those that are vulnerable and victim to human trafficking. The team work tirelessly to ensure that hope for justice is restored. Hope for Justice are not alone. Across the UK, churches and Act for Justice groups are uniting to make a stand against slavery. Hope for Justice know that the local church is the hope of the world and are working to partner with these churches to make a stand, to raise awareness of the problem and money for the cause. Hope for Justice are also working to establish, equip and empower Act for Justice groups to make a stand locally where they are. Act for Justice groups consist of freedom fighters who want to make a difference and see this end. Hope for Justice support these groups to go into their local schools, universities, businesses and community to raise awareness of the problem, to raise money for the cause and to campaign where they are to see this change. Edmund Burke once said that all it takes for evil to prevail is for good men to do nothing. But all it takes for evil to diminish is for good men to do something. We can all be on the front line, tackling human trafficking, prosecuting the traffickers and rescuing the victims, but we all can do something where we are to make a difference and to support Hope for Justice in the work that they do.